Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. As usual, on the beginning of the week, on Monday, we're taking a look at the cryptocurrency. Besides, currently is the situation where we just have to take a look at it because we see the rising activity on the market. In recent couple of weeks was really pretty nice rally the market has shown, but at the same time, we have talked about it also a couple of weeks ago. We said that it will be not enough to break the long-term bearish setup, because the overall setup will remain bearish on the daily chart until market stands below the 43 even area, so below this A point. And while market will start climbing higher, we will adjust the right wing of our pattern. And take a look what has happened today in the morning. Indeed, market has completed our target that we have talked about. I will show you more detailed pictures a bit later in this video, but this target has been completed, and immediately right at this point market has formed daily bearish reversal session. So let's take a look. That it was market created a new top, completed the 41-40 hour target and collapsed, and actually engulfed whole previous week trading and even more, so closed below the lows of this week. So this is very strong downside reversal on the market, and it could mean that we're coming to our downside target. At least, if even this is not the reestablishing of the long-term bear trend, that at least will lead to some continuation, kind of another drop should happen here. But I'd not exclude the chance that indeed this could become the continuation of the bear trend, long-term bear trend, because we have untouched our major targets around 2000 even 18 even area on the weekly chart. So you probably remember that. That's what we see on daily chart. So it means that currently it's not good situation for taking a long position, and we should think about taking short-term bearish position on intraday charts. On the 4-hour time chart, remember, I hope you remember from what pattern we have started this trade. Actually, it was the reverse head and shoulders that were mentioned on daily chart, and that was particularly the reason why we started to talk about the possible adjustment of the right wing of this butterfly. I said that if even market will complete the ultimate target of this head and shoulders pattern, so XOP, it still will stand lower than the A point, and it means that it's not necessarily will lead to changing of our opinion on the daily, and that really has happened. So here you can see what's going on. As market has hit the OP, we said probably minor retracement will happen. The market should hit the XOP because overall pace and upward action was really strong and fast. And when the market shows fast acceleration and very tight retracement, very small retracement, this is signs of strength. And indeed, as you can see, XOP has been hit very fast. Take a look. Even here we have missed a bit with the retracement. We thought initially it will be kind of the deeper harmonic retracement as it has happened previously, but market has shown even small retracement, just the half of this retracement, and it skyrocketed up. So now, as major XOP has happened and it's really big reversal, we're watching for hourly chart as possible point where we could think about taking short position. Personally, I think that area around 30% resistance looks attractive because of existence of the consolidation here. It will work like the natural barrier for upward action. It coincides, as you can see, with 30% resistance, and I think that the market will show a kind of the ABC reaction here, some pullback, so will be some kind of a catalyst triple to sell or something of that sort. Well, that could be an area where you could think about taking the short position, because as I said, since this reversal was really sharp and strong, if even this is not the continuation of the long-term trend, but at least another leg down, another downside action, even short-term should follow. This is usually what has happened. What happens after the strong reversal is forming on a daily chart. So that's our view on Bitcoin. Also, guys, I would like to announce the release of our February fundamental briefing on the cryptocurrencies. We put it in our forum. So that's our regular view on a monthly view on the fundamental background that stands beyond the market right now. What driving factors exist right now and how they change, what really investors expect to get, what they want to see on the market. And that is what we talked about in the recent fundamental brief on the cryptocurrencies. It's the instance in our regular thread on the forum, so you could read it. So let's see how situation will develop on the Bitcoin in this week as well.